Hey everyone, I'm from the AK Flutter team. In this video, I'll explain what Dart is, why you should learn Dart, and what it entails. By the end, you'll realize why Dart is the preferred language for building modern, high-performance applications. Let's go. Dart is a programming language developed by Google. It's optimized for building fast, scalable, and cross-platform applications. Whether you're working on mobile, web, desktop, or backend, Dart has you covered. It's also the core language behind Flutter. Dart is similar to JavaScript, but much simpler, faster, and user-friendly. And with the Flutter framework. Okay, what does Dart contain? First, it is object-oriented programming, so you work with classes and objects, just like in Java or C#, and it is rich standard library. Dart provides a robust standard library with utilities for collections, async programming, math, and more. Dart includes null safety, which helps prevent null reference errors at compile time, and Dart makes it easy to work with asynchronous code using futures and streams, which is crucial for modern app development. And finally, Dart can compile to JavaScript for web apps and can also be used to build server-side applications with frameworks. The latest stable version of Dart is 3.6.0. Dart is more relevant than ever in 2024 because of its growing ecosystem. That's it for today. We've covered what Dart is, why it's important, and what it offers. In my next video, I'll show you how to install Dart on Windows, so stay tuned for that. See you in the next video.